What's the meaning of contradiction? Contradiction. Contradiction.
Contradiction. Contradiction. A contradiction refers to a situation where two or more statements or ideas are in direct opposition and cannot coexist. It involves a clash between two contradictory propositions. When a contradiction exists, it means that at least one of the propositions must be false, as they cannot both be true simultaneously. For example, if someone says that it is raining outside, but another person says that it is sunny outside, then there is a contradiction between these two statements. In general, contradictions create confusion, undermine credibility, and can lead to logical fallacies.